In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Triplewhale and Klaviyo. To get started, you will be working inside Klaviyo. This is where you will link your account so data can flow between the two platforms. If you are already logged into Klaviyo, you can move straight to the integration area. If not, make sure you are signed in and are on the main dashboard so you can find the menu options easily. Now, look at the top navigation or side navigation in Klaviyo. You are going to find the section called Integrations. When you locate it, click on Integrations. This is an important first step because it is the central place where Klaviyo lets you connect with other apps and services. Once you click Integrations, you should see an area where you can browse, search, or manage connected tools. After you click Integrations, you should see options such as Exploring Available Apps. Find and click the option that says Explore Apps. This step matters because Klaviyo is going to help you discover the correct integration without you having to guess which connector to use. In many Klaviyo accounts, this Explore Apps area includes a search tool, which is exactly what we will use next. Next, in the Explore Apps page, you will see a search field. Click into the search bar and type Triplewhale. As you type, Klaviyo should suggest matching results. Make sure the app that appears is specifically Triplewhale, since there may be other whale-related or analytics-related entries. This step is about choosing the correct integration name so you connect the right service. Once you see Triplewhale in the results, select it, then click Install. This is the action that starts the installation process for the integration. At this point, Klaviyo may show a brief setup page or an installation confirmation screen. Take a moment to confirm that the app listed is Triplewhale, because that confirmation helps you avoid connecting the wrong integration. After you click Install, you are essentially asking Klaviyo to add Triplewhale to your connected applications list. Depending on your Klaviyo account setup, you may be prompted to review permissions or continue with an authentication flow. Even if you are not entering anything new right now, it is still important to pay attention to what the screen is asking for, since these prompts indicate whether the connection is proceeding correctly. Once the installation process begins, you may see loading indicators or a status change that confirms the integration is being added. If your screen refreshes or shows a success message, that is a good sign that the integration has been installed successfully. If you do see additional steps after installation begins, follow the prompts on screen, but keep your focus on confirming Triplewhale is the app you connected. To finish this part confidently, verify that Triplewhale now appears as a connected integration within your Klaviyo integrations area. Often, it will show up under Installed Apps, Active Integrations, or a similar section. This quick check ensures you are not only clicking through the process, but also confirming that the connector is actually in place. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.